Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to carve bottom of text in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Already create a new file, create a new layer, type tool, right click on your mouse, then use type tool, choose your text style, text color. Okay, click anywhere, type your text or paste your text here. Then press Ctrl T again, hold shift, resize to this text, go to type tool, warp text, style, arc, lower, bend, or arc. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.